All right, chicken cutlet time. Just got back. I was gone for maybe like 8-9 days. So in San Francisco, went to Denver, and now I'm back. Gonna make some really thin chicken cutlets. Just get some saran wrap, fold it up a couple times. The recipe I'm using today is from a Munchies episode with Frank and his Nona. Pound out a little bit. Nice and thin chicken cutlets. Now we're just gonna do a little saltwater brine. Put this in the fridge for a little bit, maybe like an hour, and we'll come back. All right, the chicken's been brining. Gonna drain it out, rinse it off with some regular cold water. Drain them off with some paper towels. Let's crack some eggs. 2 eggs should be okay. And grate some Parmesan in here. We'll get some breadcrumbs. These are Italian style Whole Foods breadcrumbs. They're already seasoned, but we're gonna add just a little bit more fun to this too. A bit more salt, black pepper, some more onion powder, garlic powder, and some oregano. All right, let's get the cutlets into the eggs. Massage them up. And now let's turn our pan on, like medium high. In the recipe I watched, they bake them, but we're just gonna pan fry them. Pan's getting hot, generous amounts of olive oil. One thing I forgot to add to the breadcrumbs was flour. There we go. Let's get our cutlets out, one at a time, dunk them. Shake them off, put it in. And while those are going, let's make our lemon sauce. Loosen up our lemons, cut them up, squeeze one lemon out, get another lemon, a little garlic, smash them up, big chunks into the lemon. Ideally use fresh parsley, but I don't have that, so I'm gonna sprinkle in a bunch of parsley to this, some oregano, some black pepper, then some chili flake. Mix it up. Just flip these cutlets. Get these off. A bit more olive oil. Now that looks good. Let's pour on some of this lemon sauce. Let's try this. I guess I'll use a fork and knife. Oh, that's good. A little mayo going. Ooh, all right. Go make some chicken cutlets. Have a good time. Bye-bye.